Welcome to this YouTube channel, Biafra latest updates. On this channel, I do any breaking news concerning Biafrans or latest updates about Biafrans or our leader, Nnamdi Kanu. Please do watch this video to the end. Write on the comment section what you think about the video. In this channel, all opinions do count, so write what you think on the comment section. And if you like what I do on this channel, please don't forget to click on the red subscribe button and turn on your post notification so that whenever I upload a video, you'll be amongst the first to be notified. May God bless you as you do so, and I'll see you on my next video. Guys, let's watch the video together.
Ijaw is Biafra. Ijaw, not all Ijaws. Ijaws are divided between the Bight of Benin and Bight of Biafra. We are the owners of Biafra. Biafra is an Ijaw name. Biafra, we own it. Over the territory identified as Biafra is Ijaw. Maybe a little Ibibios around towards the end, and around people.
Maybe you have to make a distinction now, or is it the same? Ijaw, Biafra, and Igbo.
Biafra, the real Biafra, the name Biafra, the geographical location Biafra, is Ijaw and a little bit Oron and a little bit Ibibio. Some few Ibibios are in that territory, the Bight of Biafra. Then, in 1967, the Eastern Ijaws were part of Eastern region. An Eastern Consultative Assembly was convoked in Enugu, and Francis, an Ijaw man, gave the name Biafra, suggested, moved the motion that Biafra should be adopted. Francis Opigo. And Biafra was adopted, and on the 30th of May, 1967, the Republic of Biafra was declared, which included the Eastern Ijaw within our territory. So Biafra has nothing to do with Igbo. And I hear intellectual talk rubbish, rot. Can they dismiss this historical fact that the geographical area known as Biafra is Ijaw? It's in Boro's book. Boro said this place is Biafra.
You're talking about the 12-day revolution?
Yes, go page 152, go and see it. Boro said this place is Biafra. In his book, Geographical Biafra. At that time, Biafra had not been declared. Then the instrument of declaration of Biafra in Enugu, in that instrument of declaration, Ijaw territories in the eastern region were included in the declared Biafran state. The Biafran state that was declared in 1967 was not an Igbo state. It was the sovereignty, the mandate was given for the retaking of the sovereignty, the collective sovereignty of the people found within the borders of the British created eastern region of Nigeria.
Okay, now, what's happening between you and Nnamdi Kanu? Because I have seen on the social media this banter. Sometimes
Nnamdi Kanu is a person who is empty in his head, and Nnamdi Kanu wants an Igbo Biafra. Taking our name to hang to what does to himself, it doesn't belong to him. And instead of calling for all, he wants an Igbo. So we will say Chukwuka Obioma is the god of Igbo land, is the god of Biafra. Who is Chukwuka Obioma? I don't know him. It's not a Ijaw word. He comes around, he says Biafra is a Jewish state. Well, I am not a Jew. I will never be Jew. My ancestors are superior to Jews. The Jews tell the story that they were chosen. No, my ancestors too were chosen. It is only a tyrannical God that will create people and choose one people over and above other. Then that God is tyrant, is Satan. For him to prefer his creatures, we didn't lobby God to create us. God created us and said, "Now, if you are telling me you are my person," that God is Satan. And anybody who believes in any God like that God has a chosen people, is satanic himself. And that God is a forerunner to Hitler. So, I am not a Jew. I am an Ijaw man. I am a Calabar Ijaw man. Period. He says Islam will not be in his Biafra. I said, no. Which one is your Biafra? The Biafra that I know is Ijaw. Now, the Ijaws, Franco Pigo, used the Ijaw name and sold it to all the people of the former Eastern region in 1967. And on May 30th, that Ijaw name was adopted by that Ijaw area. The name for the Ijaw area was adopted by all the people of the Eastern region, and it became Republic of Biafra. So which Biafra are you talking about? I have no business with his IPOB as long as it does not concern Biafra. When you call Biafra, I am included in Biafra. And I will stand up as a Biafran. That don't include me. I'm a Muslim. I am not a Jew.
So here there is a distinction between the IPOB and Biafra.
Yes, that's a distinction. I don't know whether IPOB is Igbo. Even though I have Igbo blood flowing in my vein, I am not an Igbo man today.
I was coming to that. What's the meaning of a diabali?
The diabali is an animal, but what it literally means, what it contextual meaning of a diabali is he who kills at night. My great ancestor, Nabobwari Harry Braid, was originally an Igbo man from Obom in Abam. His parents moved to Obosi in present Anambra, so both in present Anambra. From there, he came to Kalabari. King Amakri acquired him from the Aro people who came with him to Taurus Ramapri, Elem Kalabari, and he became a Kalabari man. He died in the 1820s as the richest and one of the most powerful men of his time.